Craftsmanship is an art form that has been passed down from generation to generation. Whether it be woodworking, metalworking, or pottery, there is something special about creating a piece with your own two hands. However, becoming a skilled craftsman takes time, patience, and practice. It can be overwhelming to know where to start or how to improve your craft. That's why step tutorials are an essential tool for unleashing your inner craftsman. In this video, we will explore the benefits of step-by-step tutorials and how they can help you improve your craftsmanship. From beginners to experts, everyone can benefit from a clear and concise guide to follow. We will also discuss the importance of practice and how repetition can lead to mastery. Through the use of detailed tutorials, you can take your craft to the next level and create pieces that you can be proud of. In a world where technology is king, it's important to remember the value of creating something with your own two hands. 1. Learn new skills with ease. Unleash Your Inner Craftsman with Step-by-Step Tutorials is a comprehensive guide to learning new skills with ease. The tutorials are designed to help you develop the skills needed to become a master craftsman. With the help of clear and concise instructions, you will learn to create beautiful pieces of art in a variety of mediums. The tutorials are broken down into easy, follow steps, making it easy for anyone to learn. Regardless of your skill level, you can start with the basics and work your way up to more advanced techniques. The tutorials are created by experts in their respective fields, so you can trust that you are learning from the best. With Unleash Your Inner Craftsman with step-by-step tutorials, you will be able to explore new hobbies, learn new skills, and unleash your creativity in ways you never thought possible. 2. Master the art of crafting. Crafting is an excellent way to express your creativity and unleash your inner craftsman. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the world of crafting, mastering the art of crafting can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. To achieve mastery, it's essential to have a solid foundation in the basics of crafting. This includes learning about the various materials and tools that are used in crafting, as well as familiarizing yourself with different techniques and styles. By doing so, you'll be able to create beautiful, one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your unique style and personality. Through step-by-step tutorials, you can hone your skills and learn new techniques to help you take your crafting abilities to the next level. With practice and patience, you can become a master craftsman and create stunning works of art that you'll be proud to display or give as gifts. 3. Bring your ideas to life. Unleash Your Inner Craftsman with Step-by-Step Tutorials is a comprehensive guide that will help you bring your ideas to life. With this guide, you can turn your creative ideas into reality, whether it's a piece of furniture, a home decor item, or a piece of art. The step-by-step tutorials will take you through the entire process, from start to finish, ensuring that you have all the information and guidance you need to complete your project with ease. This guide provides a wealth of information on choosing the right tools and materials, as well as tips and tricks to ensure that your project turns out the way you envision it. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a beginner looking to learn new skills, this guide is the perfect resource to help you unleash your inner craftsman and bring your ideas to life. 4. Perfect your technique and precision. As you work to unleash your inner craftsman, it's important to focus on perfecting your technique and precision. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsman, there's always room for improvement in your skills. By taking the time to fine-tune your technique and practice precision, you can elevate the quality of your work and create pieces that are truly exceptional. But perfecting your craft takes time and dedication, so it's important to be patient and persistent in pursuing your goals. Through step-by-step tutorials and consistent practice, you can develop the skills and precision needed to create beautiful, high-quality crafted pieces. 5. Create beautiful and unique pieces. 6. Discover new tools and materials. If you're looking to unleash your inner craftsman, one key strategy is to discover new tools and materials. The world of crafting is constantly evolving, with new products and techniques emerging all the time. By staying on top of these innovations, you can expand your creative horizons and take your projects to the next level. Some great places to start your exploration include online crafting communities, local craft stores, and trade shows and conferences. You might also consider subscribing to crafting magazines or following crafting blogs and social media accounts. With so many resources available, there's no limit to the exciting new tools and materials you can discover. So why not start exploring today and take your crafting to new heights? 7. Access expert guidance and support. As you strive to unleash your inner craftsman, it's important to note that even the most talented artisans need guidance and support. Fortunately, with the rise of digital content, there is a wealth of expert knowledge at your fingertips. By accessing step-by-step tutorials from experienced artists and artisans, you can learn new techniques, expand your knowledge base, and take your craft to the next level. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or a seasoned professional seeking advanced tips and tricks, expert guidance is essential for continued growth and success. So why not take advantage of the resources available to you and tap into the wealth of knowledge and experience that expert artisans have to offer? With the right guidance and support, there's no limit to what you can achieve as a craftsman. 8. Develop your creativity and imagination. Unleashing your inner craftsman can be an incredible way to develop your creativity and imagination. By exploring new techniques and materials, you can unlock your artistic potential and discover new ways of expressing yourself. With step-by-step tutorials, you can learn how to create beautiful and unique handmade objects, from jewelry to home decor to clothing. These tutorials can provide a structured approach to learning new skills while also allowing for personal creativity and experimentation. Developing your creativity and imagination through crafting can also have a positive impact on your mental health, providing a sense of accomplishment and relaxation. So why not start exploring your inner craftsman today and see where your creativity can take you? 9. Gain confidence in your abilities. One of the key benefits of following step-by-step tutorials is gaining confidence in your abilities. As you complete each project and see the results of your efforts, you will begin to feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in what you have created. This newfound confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, both personal and professional, as you realize the skills you have developed through these tutorials can be applied in a variety of settings. Whether you are looking to enhance your skill set for a job, impress friends and family with your creativity, or simply feel a sense of pride in your abilities, following step tutorials is a great way to unleash your inner craftsman and boost your confidence. 10. Unleash your inner craftsman. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial guide on how to unleash your inner craftsman. Whether you're a seasoned dyer or just starting out, our guide has something for everyone. With 10 different crafts to choose from, including woodworking, knitting, and jewelry making, you'll be able to find a project that sparks your creativity. Our tutorials are designed to guide you through the process of creating something beautiful and unique from start to finish. We'll provide you with all the necessary materials and tools, as well as detailed instructions and helpful tips to ensure that your finished product is a success. So why wait? Unleash your inner craftsman today and start creating something amazing. In conclusion, mastering a craft is a rewarding experience that not only allows you to develop your skills, but also unleashes your creativity. Through step-by-step tutorials, you can learn new techniques, experiment with different materials, and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, there's always something new to learn. So take advantage of the resources available to you and let your inner craftsman shine. With practice,